What's up, guys? I'm Tyler.
And I'm Brittany.
And we're Wallace Farm and Sawmill. And I got a good one for you today. I did this last time. I think it's a good one. Check it out, guys. I get this question often from random people and from people on the internet as well, on YouTube. And the question is, how do you make money with a small sawmill? Check it out. I'll show you how. As you've seen in the beginning there, we brought this big log over here onto the deck to be sawed up, and we're going to bring it onto the sawmill. And the question here is, how do you make money with a small sawmill? One way, this is only one, there are many ways. One way you do is you do it through custom orders. You have customers call, and they looking for certain things for certain projects. This log here is destined to be, I'm gonna give you a few seconds here because I want you to go down in the comments right now. Don't watch any more video. What do you think this log is destined to become? I'm gonna spend a few seconds here. Go type, come on, what you got? All right, that log is destined to be 2 deer stands, okay? Because my thing is, as big as this log is, the guy ordered 36 1x10s, well, 3/4 by 10-inch boards. And I believe I can get all 36. If not, I'll be real close. So that's what that log's destined to become. We're asking, how do we make money? Well, look, guys, lumber isn't free. I purchased the logs at a certain rate. I got to sell at a certain rate. We can discuss that later. But the thing is, I need to turn this into usable lumber, 3/4 by 10-inch wide, 10 foot 6 inches long, and the customer will be using that to make a deer stand. So that's one way we do it. Now let's go into further detail of how you make money with a sawmill. Step 1, find the customer. Step 2, saw the order. And step 3, pick it up. Customer picks it up, collects the money. So we're going to try to get all that one video. Not sure if I can get the customer. Depends on what time he comes, guys, because I got to get this video up. I know you want to see it. And step 4, get a pretty wife to tote all the lumber for you. So guys, let's get started. Let's break this thing down. It's a big log. We'll get a tape measure on it real quick. I believe I can get about 30 to 35 boards out of this. Let's see. Let's get a tape on. All right, Britt's about to throw a tape on this end. It's a considerable size log. What you got there? About 22 inches?
Yeah, about 22.
Close to 22 inches?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, 22 inches, guys. Now, for anybody that wants to recognize and say, oh, you should turn the little end that way, because you usually want to saw into the little end first. A little tip for you. I just didn't flip it around, and I have a really sharp band right now, so it's not going to be an issue. If your blade was dulling at all and you started on the fat end like that, you would get a wave. Like it wouldn't saw straight into that. It's just, you always need to start on that end. But we're going to do it this way. So let's get this thing going. Get that pulled back. Throw up a couple of these bad boys. We don't want it rolling off the back. We'll get her rolled up here. Might need to go help her. What you think? What? Strong. I bet you don't get it all the way. All right, guys, looks like I'm buying dinner tonight. I don't know, with those muscles, you might take me to dinner. What you think?
Oh, watch it. Did I get it all the way?
I think you did.
I think I did too.
It's a cold start, guys. First thing in the morning. Let's get her up here and get it lined up for his first cut. What y'all think? We should start about right there? Nah. Better come on up. Let's get ready to make this first cut. Where you going, Britt?
Get some water.
Check it out, guys. Right in the middle of sawing this order, you always got to have this kind of stuff in stock and ready to go, because this bearing just gave way. It's kind of hard to see. Pull that little seal out, but you can see that piece of metal stuck out there, and there's little pieces. So that roller guide just went out on me right in the middle of an order. Luckily, I got one on the shelf ready to go. All right, guys, there's the new one. Let's get that thing slapped on there. All right, guys, this log isn't so massive, so the two of us together are probably just gonna turn this thing. No tractor needed. All right, now we got two edges on it. Let's flip it. What you doing over there?
Oh, burning up.
It is hot. All right, guys, we finally got her down to a 10-inch cant. We're about to kick that joker up this way and get all those 10-inch boards. As soon as we get all those 10-inch boards, we got to get over here, run all these through the edger at 10 inches, which I was trying to lightly count there. I think there's like 10 or 12 there on the side. So now the thing is to get this thing turned up. So let's do that. All right, so we're gonna turn this one over. I'm gonna help here, maybe. If I get a good grip with it being 10 inches. I hope I had a re-grip. There we go.
Teamwork.
All right, guys, next thing is get these edging boards through the edger. And once we do that, we'll get a total count on how many we got. All right, guys, it's gonna wind it up. We ended up with exactly 30 3/4 by 10-inch wide boards, 10'6" long. We wound that one up. I got a few more. I've actually got some already cut from yesterday that I'll add. I gotta have 36 for the order. 30 come out of that one log, so that worked out good. We got one more little custom order to do, Britt, and we're done for the morning.
I'm ready.
Unless something else pops up this afternoon. Friday's custom cut day will be finished after I do one more. I gotta do an 8x8 and cedar, but for this video, that's gonna do it, guys. Just wanted to show you how we make money using our sawmill in a simplified way to show you. You take the tree, you make it into lumber, you make it into a product for someone to use for a specific purpose. These are going to be siding for a deer stand. So, hey, that's what it's going to be. Started out as a big old round log. It's going to end its life as a deer stand. So, there's that. All right, guys, I'm going to wind it down right here. If you guys like this type of content, you want to see more of it, right here on YouTube's the place to be. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe here. But also, we got Miss Brittany running her Patreon over there. So
if you want to see even more of what we have going on and what fun stuff that we're doing behind the scenes, just come on over to our Patreon and check us out there.
All right, guys, that description is going to be in the link below. You will find a lot of content on there of daily updates at the sawmill. Also a sub tier on there of us going out and doing lots of fishing and fun things, hunting, fishing, you know, all that stuff. Right now, fishing's on our brain, so that's what we're doing. So anyway, check us out over there. The link to that's in the description. Share this video, guys. Get it out there. Until next time.
See ya.